Okay, you've got to show that the square root of 396 can be written as 6 root 11. Well, that means that 11 times by something must equal 396. So I can do 396 and divide it by 11. And I can use a calculator and do this. Does it go into 3? No. So carry the 3. Does it go into 39? Yeah, it goes 3 times remainder. So 3, that's remainder 6. 36. So that says the square root of 396 equals the square root of 36 times 11, and rules of thirds says that's the square root of 36 times the square root of 11. I can split the square root sign up if they're times or divided, and that equals 6 root 11. And then without using a calculator, I've got to do this. So I've got to rationalize the denominator. So I've got to start off with that fraction, and I've got to times top and bottom by a number which will get rid of that square root on the bottom. And I do that, I always just change the sign in front of the square root sign. So it's 2 plus root 2, and I'm timesing top and bottom by 2 root 2. And now when I'm doing this, I'm going to put brackets around here because I always find it easier and times and tops together. I'll do that first. And so that will be 4 times 2, which is 8. So I'll put a line here. I'll do the bottom in a different colour. So 4 times 2 is 8, and then plus 4 root 2. And then plus another 4 root 2. And then finally, 2 root 2 times by root 2 is 2 times root 2 times root 2. And the root 2 times root 2 becomes 2. So that will be plus 4. And then the bottom, again, I'm going to put the brackets in. 2 times 2 is 4. And then I've got plus 2 root 2. And because I've changed the sign, I've now got minus 2 root 2, which will get rid of the root 2's. And then minus times a positive is a minus. And square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2. That's a definition. That's good. So I can now simplify this as 8 plus 4 is 12. And I've got plus 8 root 2's. And that's all over 4, or root 2 root 2, take away 2 root 2, or disappear the root 2's. So it's 4 take away 2 is 2. And now I've got to halve the top bit, which is 6 plus 4 root 2. And I've shown that you can simplify to that. So that's done. And that's question 17 and the whole paper done.